Hello workout buddies, I hope you guys are doing fine both physical and mental health during this coronavirus outbreak. For your safety, minimize social contact, exercise regularly and eat healthy food to build your immune system to protect your body. If it's the first time you watch this video, we are now in part 5 of the S-line body home workout to improve your posture. This is also the last part in this program and we are going to train with resistance band in this video. I'm going to use 3 size S, M and L's in this routine, and if you don't have the band, just go ahead and do it without any equipment. Remember to increase your repetitions. If you are a beginner, start from part 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take your before photo and update your fitness progress on our community to motivate and inspire everyone to get fit with you. Follow Unfit Collection for more quick and intense ab and fat burn workouts. We are going to start with the warm-up first and then go to the main workout section. So get your bands and let's get started. We're gonna do 4 exercises to warm up, so let's start with jumping jack. Jump high and increase your speed. Now we are going to backward lunge. If you find it hard to balance, just reduce your speed. The next is squat 20 seconds in cardio motion. Don't worry, we will focus on the muscle soon. This is just the beginning. And the last one, standing core twist. Bend your back and keep it flat. Now we are done with the warm-up, so let's go to the main workout in the last part of this S-line body. Again, this program is completely free, so don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support me, update your results on our community, or create your own YouTube video sharing your progress to motivate your friends and everyone to get fit with you. The first exercise is squat with resistance band. I use size M here. Make it 30 repetitions with me. Feel the tension around your hips, on the butt and hamstrings. Keep squeezing your muscles. That's right, keep pushing yourself.
Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. 'Cause I'm next to none. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Never wanna place for drinks, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me.
The next move is squat in and out. I use size L in this move. Take a wider step. We target your hip muscles. This routine is hard, so focus with me. Mind connection with your butt muscles. Amazing, keep going. Keep thinking about the results. The next move is sumo squat poses. Very intense, guys. This exercise is going crazy and your butt muscles will love it. Keep your feet wide apart, toes pointing outward. Squat down and squeeze your butt muscles when you go up. Try to go with tempo speed. We are building your muscles. It is important to imagine the area that you feel sure they are growing.
Outside the club, we come alive, let's go for a ride. Yeah, I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever, don't care about nothing else.
Now our last exercise before we target your lower back, squat hold. I use I am in this exercise.
Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this is a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this.
Amazing, guys. I know you guys are really sure now. Lying with your belly on the floor. Bend, use I am for the hands and S for the feet. We are going to do Superman with resistance bands. Take advantage of the band and use this tensile strength with all your power. Make them as tense as you can while lifting your arms and feet smoothly. You guys are doing awesome. Keep going.
To the sky if you feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. Look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. Look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
The next move is forward lunge with band. I use IL. Right foot step on the band firmly. Hold your band tight on the other circle. Left foot at the back and straight. Do the forward lunge and pull the band hard when you go up. The main focus here is your lower back. Strength training for your spine. Keep your back flat and beautiful, guys.
Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
Moving next is stiff legs deadlift. Feet together above your band. Slowly bend your knees in your upper body. Then go back to standing position. Pull the band hard. Feel the tension around your lower back area. That's where we focus. Very nice, everyone. You are doing it correctly. Moving next is bend over row. A very hard exercise for your back. Feet together above your bend. Keep your knees slightly bent. Back almost parallel with the floor. Only use your hands to pull the band up. They are at the shoulder height. Maintain your back flat. It will be sore at the lower back area with this exercise, and that's a good sign you are doing it right. I'm very proud of you. Keep sculpting your back.
No, break us up for good. Would you hang around? When all we got right now. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, soñé que me querías, pero no es cierto. Solo lo haces pa' que yo esté contento. La chispa de la llama se apagó lento. Cambiamos mentiras por juramentos. Sabía todo de ella, pero ahora ya no.
We make it to our last exercise today. Plank with resistance band. I use side S. Raise your hips a little bit to protect your lower back. Expand your feet to the maximum you can with the band. Arms firmly on the ground. Keep your head in neutral position. Now your body is working very hard to turn off all the muscles.
When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there.
Thank you so much for joining me today, everyone. Our next free program is 7-day full body toning and sculpting. Have a good rest and I will see you very soon. Bye!
Like, never like, never like.